Why did I bring these unfit potato heads with me?
Oh my gosh. I'm not that convinced anymore. I'm so afraid.
Wait. Ooh, today's your great day, your big day. So Maddy is gonna do paragliding today. Not me, because I'm not insane, but she is.
He's a party pooper.
Sie Stickler.
He's afraid. It's his excuse.
I'm scared and cheap. That's it. We're not awake yet. We need to finish coffee. Maybe I'm gonna do another one. We're gonna head off to whatever place, half an hour from Medellin Center, and then hopefully survive this day. Let's go.
Thank you.
Good morning, Medellin. Today's the day. Maddy is going into the sky, and I think our Uber is there. Still having her morning session. The Uber is already there. Beautiful.
Ya no sabe lo que pasa. El primer verso, papi. Lo que manda aquí la clave. Este ritmo guaguanco. Esto es lo que existe. Y también está mi chamaco. Nadie nos resiste.
Breakfast of the champions.
Empanadas with avocado inside and piña.
It's like the Colombia version of the chicken McNuggets.
Oh, that's way better than chicken McNuggets.
Pure deliciousness.
Pineapple, and it said avocado, but I don't taste avocado. But with this sauce is amazing.
Bring it in.
Making it pop.
Oh yeah, some nice salsa.
It's delicious.
Orilla el mar, no ves sonriendo. Y yo sé lo que tenemos no es para juego y esto divino. Por eso lo que hacemos gritar tu mano con ritmo letal.
Okay, so we arrived on the very top of some mountain at Medellin. There are already a lot of paragliders in the air. They're very close to each other, which makes me very nervous. It's like skiing. I'm not afraid of skiing as long as nobody's there when I'm around. Tension is rising.
Don't die.
Thank you, I guess.
That's pep talk, huh? Don't you dare. And Sophie's like, why did I bring these unfit potato heads with me? There's the start of the day.
Do this hike, do the paragliding, get food and coffee, fall asleep.
Last words, they're not going to be my last words. I'm excited. I feel like I'm going to be more scared when I actually get in it. I don't know why I'm not scared now.
No, not yet so much, but
No.
if I'm getting tangled in there.
Yeah, there's a lot of people up there, so
That also
I don't think-
doesn't make it better at all.
yeah, but they must have that every day, so I think they're used to it. Oh, look. Oh, it looks fun.
Oh my gosh. I'm not that convinced anymore.
Ooh, just make sure to not stumble, otherwise you're gonna die.
Look how many are over there now.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Pep talk.
It's gonna be fine, yeah. Some snacks for the nerves.
Oh yeah, Snickers.
No, I'm not nervous, I'm just hungry.
Some before and after, how are you feeling?
I feel good. I'm excited.
And you?
Yeah, me too.
And you?
Okay, I have to wait a bit longer, I don't mind. I can see her taking off. That dog is really chill.
Mr. Husky is like, I don't care.
Okay. Whew. Run and then just pick up.
Yes.
And then landing, they need to be straight.
Yes.
Okay.
I tell you.
Okay.
I get an English speaking guy. That's good. Now I feel better. Okay.
That up there is our friend Sophie. There is somewhere in the sky. She's so brave, and Maddy also.
So for me it's more waiting now. A lot of waiting so far, but I don't mind. I'm more and more confident about this.
It's gonna be great.
I feel this more and more, that it's gonna be great.
It was really fun, but I started feeling really sick, and then he was like, "You've stopped talking, do you feel sick?" And I was like, "A bit," and he was like, "That's really normal, if you want to be sick, lean over the side." I was like, "It's fine, I won't be sick," and then I was sick.
No, I'm afraid again. It's fine, I'm a bit nervous actually. Give me a kiss.
Kissy. Your GoPro.
Thank you.
Have fun.
Enjoy!
Don't die. I'll be honest with you guys for a second. I'm glad that I don't have to do it. After hearing Sophie puking in the air because she felt so sick, let's ask Sophie how she's feeling. First reaction.
It was good, it was good. I'm glad I've ticked it off the list, but I won't be doing it again. But yeah, it was good.
Nice. Even though I didn't do it, also an adventure for me. Seeing your best half, your wife, going off in the air. I wonder if she also throws up. Don't die.
Ha 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 ha. Okay, I'm a bit afraid.
Yes, me too.
Is it on?
Just
Oh wow.
okay.
Okay, do I need to? Yeah, I sit down when you say. I run. I'm so afraid. Yeah.
Wait. Vamos, keep running.
Woo! Okay, I'm sorry. Woo! Oh my god, this is amazing. Oh my god. Wow. Woohoo! Oh my god. I'm flying. Wow. The acrobatics were the best.
Yeah.
Yay! I was crying. So Daniela's an amazing pilot. It was amazing. It was definitely worth the money. That was amazing. But I was afraid the whole time. Thank you so much.
Honey, what about puking?
No.
No puke?
No puke. No puking.
No puke.
And in the end he was like, "Are you ready for acrobatics?" And I was like, okay, I tell you if I don't like it and then you stop. And he was like, yes. And then he started and I was like, I love it. It was better than the rest. So, but I was afraid. I was holding on to, and he was like loosen up, like let go, and we're doing nice pictures. And I was like, no. Yeah, I had a lot of fun. I would do it again. And I would still be afraid.